So Riley came all the way to find me to tell me she wants to go play ball. So let's go. Come on, baby girl. Where are you? Come on. Where's your ball? It's over there. You coming? Huh? It's a beautiful day out. Uh-oh. Here she comes. You're starting before Mommy kicks it? Huh? All right, hold on. Let me get it. Oh! You're not even giving me a chance. All right, let me grab it, okay? All right, hold on. Hold on. Ready? Go! Good job! Good girl. Oh my goodness. Very good. Ready? Go. Okay, you ready? Go. Good job. Okay, last one. Look at that. You don't even need my help so much anymore. Getting you out of situations. Good job. All right, everyone. We hope you're having an amazing afternoon. Riley's going to rest now. And don't forget, Rylie loves you. Bye.